everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today my MN82 is going to have a new battery. We will see if this electronics handles a 3S LiPo. I'm running usually this 2S LiPo, okay, Gen's Ace, but HobbyKing was kind enough to send me two batteries, one of which I'm going to fit this rig. They sent me two batteries, okay, and this is the new technology in RC batteries. First we have the lithium ion, then the lithium polymer LiPos, and these ones are the LIHV. Probably we would say LIHV. Okay, this one we'll talk about in another video. This is for my short course truck, okay. I'm going to show it real quick. It's a 6200 milliamp hour battery, 100C discharge, okay. My short course truck will fly with this battery, but that's for the next video. Today we're going to talk about MN82 and 3S LiPos. Let's show it right away. Okay. I have to figure out XT30 to make a cable, but that's okay. And the battery itself. Wow, that's tiny, that's very tiny. This is a 550 milliamp hour 3S ATC max discharge 3-cell, not LiPo but LIHV. I think it's the best way to say it, right? LIHV, L-I-H-V, LIHV. One of the main advantages of these batteries is that it can withstand a higher voltage, okay? This one, max voltage is about 4.2 volts and this one can reach 4.35 volts, okay? And what that says to us? That says that an higher voltage output can bring strong power and better performance in heavy-duty applications, okay? It's more efficient than the traditional LiPo, so we can expect more usage time. Now let's see size-wise if this fits my MN82. Probably it will, because a little bit taller. But it's a bit more than half the size of a 2-cell, despite being double the capacity. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. This is a very nice size, very compact. Now let's see the difference in weight. So, my 2S LiPo, it weighs 81 grams. This one, 52 grams. Now I'm going to make an adapter using a XT30 and a XT60 in order to fit this on the rig. We're going to hit the trail to see the power of this battery if it lasts at least the half of this one. This one I can run it for about an hour, and this one I'm expecting to run it about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? In my style of driving, you know, mostly I do slow stuff, okay? Now let's see this battery performance and its endurance. I'm going to start with a small obstacle to see if the modulation is still as good as it was with the 2S LiPo. As you can see, it fits quite well. For these smaller rigs, this size, I think it's good, it's very good. So let's begin right away. So for what I can tell, the modulation, despite being a 3S, remains quite good. This is the slowest that it can go. Very controllable as well. Okay, it's got stuck. Let's try this again. My driving for sure. Okay, not pretty, but okay performance. So now let's see if this got some punch. Oh. Okay, it's got some juice. Let's try some slow modulation again. This is very loose, as you can see, but I want to try the power as well. Okay, we have to keep the momentum. Okay, with full power, he made it. This is awesome. This rig, it's got now an awesome performance. Power-wise, 3S is the way to go. This motor handles it beautifully. So at this time I'm running this battery for about half an hour and it still has juice, okay. I'm doing some mixed things, some high speed and some slow stuff. As you know, the high speed stuff needs a lot more energy, so I think usage time is very okay. This is a very good upgrade for these rigs, very powerful. I hope to enjoy this video. It's all for today. See you next time. Bye. And it makes some donuts. Awesome, really. And it's awesome.